guys, and welcome to my channel Urmi Badgir. And today guys, we'll make a recipe at our home. Our recipe's name is Rosili leaves, and now my mom will make. Now I'll show everything from 1 to 10. I'll show everything guys. What is the recipe of Rosili leaves? And look, this is a Rosili leaves. Look, everything. Now this we need egg. How many you have meant? I don't know. This is egg, boil egg. We must boil. We have given 4 eggs, and now my mom will make. Hi. And guys, now these boiling eggs we will fry now. Look at this, and look. This is Rosili leaves, guys. Look, now my mom is working. Look. Now we'll fry this egg. And guys, we have given oil. Somebody can give too much oil also, and we have given a little oil. We have no need too much oil. And look, now this one must become hot. And now look, this is boiling eggs. And again one we need, this is not boiling, this is we'll give it here. Now look, because of taste we will give this boiling, not boiling egg. And look, these are Rosili leaves, eggs, oil, and all other things. Now look. And guys, we must give 1 spoon salt. Look, my mother has given already. And now we will give egg. Look nicely guys. 2, 3. And look, now we must fry nicely and keep it nicely guys. Look. And guys, we must fry this. And look, I am frying nicely. And it must become red. This will not become red, means it will not be tasty guys. Look. Now I am touching this, and look. And guys, we have given 1 spoon turmeric because so it must become red. And look guys, nicely I am showing now. And we need onion 1, and this we are waiting for it. And look. And guys, now egg has become red. Now we will give small. We'll bring here at this. Look, we have brought here, and look nicely guys. And now my mom has cutting onion, only 1. Somebody can 2 also, somebody can 3 also. How many you need? We don't know, but we have given 1. And look. Now we'll give here. Look, we have given onion here. Nicely it's fry, okay guys. And we will give now this anda khunda egg. Look, dekho guys, dekho ye anda hai. This is egg. And now my mom will roast. Now look guys, nicely. Now look, we must nicely, and look. It must become nicely fried like a red. And look, now it will become also guys, nicely. Look. And guys, now we will give Rosili leaves here nicely. And look, somebody can cut also, somebody don't want to cut. We don't cut the Rosili leaves. We have cut. And keep it nicely guys, cut nicely. Again we'll give turmeric again 1 time. We'll give 1 spoon, again 1 spoon. This is 2 spoon guys. We have given 2 spoon turmeric. And guys, we have put salt 1 spoon. Again we will give 1 spoon half with small spoon. And look, now it must touch nicely. Touch nicely guys, then only it will be tasty. And look now. And guys, look, it will be like that. Nicely touch and stay. And now look to my mom. I am waiting for it. And now look. And guys, look, now it will be so nicely smelling. And we must put water here. So 1 mug with big or small, we don't know, medium size, 1 mug and a half. We must put water here. Look nicely and keep it nicely. And look, we have done your water. And when we have fried the egg, now you put here eggs guys, nicely 1 by 1. We have given 3. And touch nicely. And look, now we has given. Now look, with full fire. And look, now we will give it plates here and wait for till 3 minutes. Wait. After 3 minutes or 4 minutes, we must touch like this. And look, now it is becoming like yellow and like something color. And look, it will be like that. After 3 minutes or 4 minutes, again we must put this. It must be dark yellow. And look, we have put again till 5 minutes or 4 minutes. this way. Guys, after 5 minutes or 6 minutes, it has become like that. Now smell is too much nice, and look guys, nicely touch and give here, and look, it has become already, and it is ready already nicely, look. And guys, it has become, we has off this, and look now my mom has making this. And we will eat also how to eat, and look, we'll eat now rice, afternoon rice, and look now everybody will eat rice. This is our today special, this are egg, and everybody will eat now. And guys, look everybody, and we'll sit and eat now, and look, this is our recipe for today. And guys, this is a recipe for today of rosalie leaves, and somebody can make at home also. This recipe I have already seen today, and look, and make. This is the video for today, and please like, share, and subscribe of rosalie leaves. Now bye bye guys for today.